Quick recap of where we are. So all the insulation is in. I brought the boards down for the floor. I haven't screwed them in yet. But the key thing is the electrician's been done his first fix. He's run the cable in around. Obviously these ones are for power. Obviously this one here going up is going to be it's going to be electrics are going on the ceiling. There's a light up there. Another light up there, and then obviously where all those cables are there, that's where the fuse box is going to go. So all I'm going to do now is put the what? Sorry about that, mad dog. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the covers on. I'm not going to do this side because he still needs to run a data cable through, but I'm going to board up the other sides. That's my next job. So there we have the first lot of boarding going up. Makes it look like a room now, but one thing you would have noticed is these huge gaps everywhere. And the board, let's take you over here. Yeah, pretty big really, aren't they? So, we're buying one of those bulk pack of decorators chalk or cork. Anyway, the bits are all out ready for lighting, so let me carry on doing the rest. So here we have the finished office, which I'm now handing the keys over to my daughter. As you can see, my daughter's already been working on landscaping. She's built this lovely little decking path up to the entrance. She's also built this lovely little pond. This is the second one she's built. And I think my wife did the planting. So anyway, let's forget about that. Let's have a look at the main event, which is the office. Okay, let's open the doors and let's go in. Now the other thing is, while I was at work yesterday, my daughter laid this floor in as well. Clearly impatient for me to get out. She's near enough there. She's got one more piece to do down there. It's cracking. So if everyone needs any flooring laid, my daughter's the expert. Right, so let's have a look. So let's move in. So first things first, we've got all the walls up and all the wiring done. So you can see the plugs down here. We've got a fan down here. Also she's got air conditioning and there's a heat pump as well. And dehumidifier and ionizer, blah, blah, blah. The rest of the unit's outside, I'll show you that in a minute. We've got the lights in. Let me just turn around from here. The rest of the lights. You've got the electric board over there. So let's go over here first. So it's got the lights here, the switch is over the other side. So electrics comes in here, his own circuit breakers. So you've got the sockets, the air conditioning and the lights. Obviously gigabit Ethernet. So you've got various plugs. Obviously you have a desk over here. You've got the light switches over here. Oh yeah, of course she's got a light up on plug up on the ceiling. You're thinking, you what? Basically that is because she's going to have a green screen there. So she do various filming. The other thing to note is you can see the lines, where the panels were. You get white strips put in there, but I just done filling because it doesn't really matter, because my daughter's actually going to recover all these walls. So she's going to make this look like a tavern. So she'll probably do videos on that. So one last look inside. Look at her amazing flooring. I'm well impressed. She's never done this before. She just picked up the packs, looked at them, borrowed my jigsaw, and she just laid the flooring. Absolutely amazing. So, let's go outside and let's have a quick look at where the electrics come in and the air conditioning unit. So there's the electrics. So if you can see, there's an armour. What do they call it? Armoured cable. Anyway, that runs all the way down the garden and comes out the fuse box in the garage, and then comes into there and into that fuse box there. Down here we got outside plugs. Oops. Obviously all the stuff for the pond. Now let's go and have a look at the air conditioning unit. This is where the pipes come out from the air conditioning unit, around the back, and there it is. Get a better view of it. And super quiet, unbelievably quiet. And there you have it, one Dunster office built. Am I pleased? Absolutely. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Very impressed, and I'm pleased with the result. And this will last for ages, I reckon. Thank you for viewing.